Years have been the most difficult years for us as a family. We have gone through a lot. Some of the things we cannot even share publicly. Some of the things are just outrageous, to say the least. So it's been a very austere and heinous season for us as a family, as we not only grappled to get to a place of closure, but also to push for accountability insofar as the abduction of Itai Dzamara is concerned. That has left us in an emotionally depleted state. However, in spite of that, we are still believing against hope. We're still hoping against hope that we might get to meet with Itai at some point. And not only that, for as long as Itai Dzamara is not accounted for, we will continue piling pressure on the government of Zimbabwe to account for Itai Dzamara, because they are responsible. They are the ones who are supposed to ensure that the people, the citizens of Zimbabwe, are actually secured.